I always wanted to draw anime, but it has been so long that I may have forgotten how to draw.
So in this video, I want to share my progress with you guys and how I made progress within 3 days of starting to draw an anime style. To start my 3-day art journey, I went to Pinterest to find references and art styles. I noticed a lot of the results were actually AI-generated pictures, which I don't really recommend using if you're trying to learn. Since I started as a complete beginner, I used the real artist references to practice basic anatomy, head shapes, and body proportions. Later on day 1, I decided to color my first drawing. Honestly, I felt like the tones were way too dark, but I told myself to just trust the process and keep going. By day 2, I wanted to draw more bodies and really get used to the anime style. One thing I found super challenging was drawing different head poses and getting the eyes right. Later that day, I colored another sketch. This time, I tried a totally different lighting method. Looking back, I realized I could have improved it a lot more if I had focused on each part, like the hair and body separately by watching specific tutorials. But hey, that's what learning is for. On day 3, I wanted to challenge myself with a full body piece featuring better skin tones and dynamic lighting, and here is how it turned out. I'm honestly so satisfied with the skin tones and the overall progress I made in just 3 days. This video inspires you to stay motivated, try new things, and experiment with different art styles. I'd love to know your thoughts. What are some of your favorite art tips? And what do you find the hardest to draw? Let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll make a video attempting to draw whatever you find most challenging. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.